Hey, what's up? Just got back from mowing. I'm upset at myself, y'all. I'm like very upset, okay? No one got killed today, thank goodness. No one got hurt. I didn't damage nobody's property, nobody's vehicle. Accelerator bagger, y'all. So I preached on strapper stuff, cargo strapper stuff to the trailer. Stuff could fly out, cause an accident. And I didn't do that, y'all. So I was all motivated, man. Like I made a video just last night of this bagger, you know, using it. Cause it's awesome bagger, y'all. But it's light. And I was going like at least 55 miles per hour on the road, and I guess it just flew out. I heard bang, 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 bang. And I looked in the rearview mirror. I see the bagger just spinning around the road, and I see cars stopping. Just drama was just flashing before my eyes. Oh, somebody's gonna get hurt. Luckily, no one got hurt, y'all. So it's bent. I guess it's a good time to do also a review of the bagger because the only cracks you can see really are like right here. Or right here, y'all. So these are cracked, y'all, but everything stayed in place. It just got real bent up, so it's a little crack right there. This is bent up a little bit, but I got to bend it, so it's bendable, y'all. So it was totally like bent up like that diagonal, y'all. So I was able to bend it back in place. I kind of did get the door in there. All right, so the door's able to get in there now. But it's crooked still. All right, it's still crooked, so I got to bend it back, y'all. Cargo strapper equipment, everybody. You know what I mean? You could kill somebody. Man. You know, like, I'm glad nobody got hurt. You know, first, forget the bagger. I'm glad, first of all, no one got hurt, killed. I didn't cause an accident, all right? That could be replaceable, but people can't, all right? So cargo strapper stuff, y'all, okay? Cargo strap it. Can't stress it enough. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. Stay hydrated. All right, and hey, see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye.